All right, finally, we come to the last question. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. When you see the keyword tangent and curve, we always start by this diagram. Okay, it's like a mind mapping diagram to help us. Yeah, so the curve is y equals to 2x plus 5 squared. And then we have the point -3, 1. And then we have this line. This line should give us the gradient. This is the gradient to the tangent. But we need to find the equation. So equation is the thing that we need to find. To find the equation, we must have two things. One is the gradient of the tangent. Another one is the point that passes through this gradient, which is given over here. So we have all the information, just that I do not have exactly the value of my gradient of the tangent, and that need to be found. So how do we find? Remember, when you have these three things, y, if you reduce it, then you will have the gradient of tangent. So how do we differentiate this one? This one we have to use the chain rule. So we do outside and do inside. Differentiate outside followed by differentiate inside. Inside 2x plus 5. Differentiate is 2. This one because we just differentiate outside, inside still remain untouched. So therefore, we will have 4 times 2x plus 5. Now, because this gradient of tangent passes through -3, 1, that means at x equals to -3, we substitute the value of x over here. So when x equals to -3, the gradient of the tangent will be 4 times 2 times -3 is -6 plus 5. So we have -1 over here. So the gradient of the tangent is -4. Okay, so with this, we can find this one because gradient of tangent already found, which is -4. How do we find equation in the first place? So we go by the general formula, that is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. And all these information is given over here. The general y, that's why you don't see any subscript of number over here. So it's just general y. Y1 is 1, m is -4, x1 is -3. So when you minus -3, become plus 3. So over here we will have -4x. This one, -12. And then the -1 bring over, become plus 1. So y will equals to -4x minus 11. That is the answer for our question. The end.